Hi, I'm Evan Wallace, President of Applied Physics. I'm going to do a brief video on the proper operation of the Perlini Express Cocktail Carbonating System. The most important thing is that the liquid has to be cold. It has to be ice cold. The colder the liquid is, the more CO2 it can absorb. It doesn't matter whether you add the ice to the batch, as I'm doing here, and cool it down, and then pour it into the Perlini Express shaker, or you add the ice directly to the shaker itself. I usually do it that way, but if you prefer, you can add the ice to the batch. It's important to not overfill the shaker. Only fill it up to the line that says max carbonation. Here's me adding ice directly to the shaker. That's the way I usually do it. You don't need to do both. It's one or the other. Now the fun part, put the cap on and pressurize it with your CO2 source. Press a lever until you don't hear any more CO2 flowing, and now you shake it up. Shake it vigorously like you would a shaken cocktail for about 5 seconds. For maximum carbonation, you can repeat the process after the first pressurization and shake cycle. Pressurize it again and shake it again, and that will drive a little bit more CO2 into solution. Now we wait. You want to let that foam die down before you open the cap. Some recipes take longer than others. Slowly open the cap. If you notice the foam will start to bloom up, screw the cap back on and let it rest for a little bit longer. There we go. The foam's settled down now, and we can safely unscrew the cap. Now it's time to pour and enjoy. Pour it quietly so you don't knock any of the CO2 that you worked so hard to get into solution out of the liquid. That's beautiful. A very, very highly carbonated beverage. That's fizzy.